Leo, this is your channel messages for the 13th and 14th. For the 13th and 14th of June. Leo, before we start the reading, Leo, we need to have a dedication to, we need to send a dedication to the barbs, because Leo, I don't know what is happening, Leo, because I feel like the barbs are missing out. I don't know what's happening. I feel like there's a decrease in energy of the barbs. So let's start the reading off with the barbs today, Leo. Yeah, I want to hold you, pull my arms right around you. Can you give me the nicest fuck me ever get in my life? Girl, I just want to please you. Hold me hand all around you. Can you give me the tightest me ever get in my life? Oh, yo, Egyptian, tell them for go on eviction. This one, yeah, it had a bad gal edition. Say them gal there, contradiction. Them say them pussy tight, a beer fiction. The whole of them a bait. Body smoking, cigarette, shape nice. Figure eight, give them the rollerblade, tell them to skate, style on them, Jamaican tip, all I do is sign boobs and be taking pic, got the news band in the color bacon bits, got a spot in every state, Dalmatian bitch, and it's young money, old money, real good money, ain't do a feature that wasn't a billboard, honey, Rima, Kingston, Waterhouse, Jungle, Barman, I have enough money, and I get me one more. Hello, good morning, barbs. Hello. Great. So, Leo, your channel cards are the Taurus, the Tower card, and 5 of Wands. So, I'm getting Leo. I'm getting something is blowing the fuck up. I don't know if a Taurus is blowing up, and I'm getting you have no control over this. Leo, you control the sun, so I'm assuming you wanted to control when the sun rays or on each zodiac sign, or me getting you want to take credit for someone's accomplishment. Me getting something is not going to work out the way you think it is. Okay, me getting you had a Taurus working. Me getting you had a Taurus, an independent Taurus, trying to figure out things for themselves, and you've been taking everything the Taurus has been trying to think for themselves, and yeah, make money off of it, and you gave the Taurus nothing. Not one fucking dollar you gave the Taurus. And me getting something I'll blow the fuck up. So me getting is either you'll get catch for fraud, something about a huge lawsuit, or me getting you saying this is not how it was supposed to go. Because the Tower card and Taurus, me getting a big fucking uproar. We have the 5 of Wands. Me getting a lot of people involved, a lot of people disagreeing, or a lot of people is coming for you, Leo. What else me wanted to say? I don't know if people is showing up at your home, but me getting something about one Taurus. Maybe something about you evicting a Taurus, or why you evict a Taurus. But me getting it all had to do with money where you thief, or real estate. Me getting something about a house, money, or a car that was given to the Taurus, and you took it from a Taurus, Leo. Me getting something is blowing up in your fucking face, and me getting somebody may not have the law on them side, but them have backative. They have the people. So I don't know what this is, Leo, but I'm getting this is not how it was supposed to go. So let's go ahead and go into your reading. Me getting you saying, oh my fucking God, what did I do? Yeah, me getting you saying what I've done. What have I done? Let's go, Leo. First card out is a 2 of Swords. Yeah, me getting you asking yourself, what the did you do? Because me getting you can't go forward and you can't go back either. We have the Emperor. We have the King of Cups. We have the Queen of Wands. And we also have the 6 of Cups. Okay, so I'm getting 3 archetypes that are in your energy. I'm getting the Emperor, which is the highest. I'm getting the King of Cups and the Queen of Wands. I'm not sure if the Queen of Wands and the King of Cups is together as a couple, and then the Emperor is the person outside looking in. All right. But we're getting something about the Emperor who he's either pairing these two people together or something about his employees about to get fucked. The Leo could be a woman. So I'm getting the couple is telling you that you don't talk to somebody unless they give you an apology. This could be vice versa. You're telling the couple that you want to give somebody else. There's something about an apology somebody wants. Either the couple is ganging up on you as a single person, even though you're the boss, or I'm getting something about the couple said they want an apology from you, or maybe you want an apology from the couple. I'm getting two people I work with is a Leo woman, Leo Aries Sagittarius woman, and a Cancer Pisces Scorpio man. I don't know, I not trust them for you, Emperor. I don't trust them. I'm getting them to do something grimy behind your back. Or I don't know something about the situation I don't trust. I'm getting something about an apology. Because I'm getting you saying, I'm the boss and I don't know what's happening in my own business. I don't know what my affairs are. My affairs is being monitored or shared between the King of Cups and the Queen of Wands. Because you have some people who have a workplace and they have employees, and the employees can run the workplace better than them. Me used to have a boss like that in Jamaica. She never know what the fuck happened in our business. The employees knew. The employees knew what is happening in our business and home life more than she knew. I'm getting somewhat an apology. You want an apology? I don't know if the couple is like, listen, you think you're the boss, so we have to apologize to you. Fuck you. I don't know what's happening. I don't know if you went into business with these people, but that's why you have to be careful when you go into business with threes. Especially, you need to check the birth chart. No, I don't know if this is two man and a woman went into business. I'm getting this, the water sign and the fire sign is together, but the boss have feelings for your girl. I'm getting the Emperor is starting to have feelings for feelings. I don't know, I mean, the Emperor. I made it tell a minute one you about that pussy, yeah. I made it tell you this is something you're not ready for. But like a temper man, we're different, him no regular. I hold it tell you, say me love man, we press trigger. Listen, baby, if me tell you, say you are Emperor. If me tell you, say you are my first love, would you believe? Me have to give it to you, cause you say me from the streets. Same way, let's get married, done with the play dates. Next 10 years, tour with the same place. Respect you to the fullest, not gonna make you feel no way. My heart are yours and you already know that. Fight for you like the Navy, I'm your little soldier. Me give Jada Kingdom me to have sex with that night. Jada Kingdom, please for God fucking sakes, Jada Kingdom, tell the fucking internet if you had sex with that night or nah. Anyways, maybe the boss have feelings for her. I'm getting somebody saying, listen, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry for hitting on your girl. I'm sorry. I'm just in love with her. I don't know if that's what it is. The Two of Swords clarified by the Hangman. We have the Nine of Cups. Yeah, I'm getting when you made this comment about your friend's girlfriend or your employee's girlfriend, you did drunk or you were under the influence. We also had the Four of Pentacles. We have the Empress, oh, and we have the Seven of Cups. Does this come getting? Me getting the Emperor have more money, but the King of Cups is more submissive to the Queen. Me getting the King of Cups is very submissive. Him give her everything, every dollar him give her, every single thing. Now, I'm not sure if the Queen of Wands is the mother of your kids. Because the Queen of Wands, we have the Empress. But we have Emperor and Empress. Okay, so the Empress is clarifying the Queen of Wands. But Emperor, even if you have feelings, me getting something about you have feelings for this guy's woman. But here's the counterpart. Do you have feelings for this guy's woman's sister? Because maybe the water sign and the fire sign is together. And me getting you saying, me like the fire sign sister. Okay, so this could be something about one man and one woman who work for you, but them is a couple. Me getting you to the girl, you're telling the girl something like your sister, but you are the boss. So now the girl is very, very sour, or me don't know what's happening, cause me getting, you get what I mean? Two of them work for the emperor. The emperor is telling you, say either him like your sister, or him like her sister. Her, whose ever sister or best friend or whoever this is, they are the counterpart for the emperor. So them supposed to rightfully be together. But I don't know if somebody already have kids or the emperor sees this woman as a perfect motherly figure, 2 kids, okay? But me getting the boss like your sister. So you and him working for the emperor, but the emperor is fucking your sister. So I don't know if that's causing a weird ass shit that's happening. Cause me getting, me getting you saying it's conflict of interest, but not really. You don't know how to ask. It's like you ask, it's like you're asking your employee for his sister number, or you ask the employee's wife or your employee's girlfriend for her sister, her best friend's number. Maybe in love with somebody's best friend. Cause me getting these 2 people either work closely together, they're friends. Maybe the couple, because I'm guessing one to go out is always 3. If the sister came, if the emperor, the Taurus, that was a channel message. If the Taurus came, it would have make 4. But me getting the Leo woman, she could be Sagittarius or Aries. Me getting she very jealous of the Taurus. So she don't want the Taurus to come around none of this circle. She don't want the Taurus to come around our man, and she don't want the Taurus to come around the boss. No, you're going to be fucking the boss. No, the boss of fuck your sister, and you're already jealous of your sister. Turmoil, rub it in the fucking face. And me getting you have deep, deep, deep feelings for somebody, man. So deep. And me getting you saying every time I drink, every time me alone, me talk to her. No, the Emperor and the Empress, again, they are counterparts, but there's something significant about this King of Cups being very submissive, because him on his knees giving her everything, the Queen. Me getting the boss, it's like your boss asking, you don't have a girl can set me up with. I mean, I don't know if one person was like, yeah, man, you know, my girlfriend has a sister, or the girl was like, yeah, my boyfriend has a sister. Come me getting somebody put the idea in your head, and then yeah, look on it, but then you say, oh my God, I feel so ashamed. Oh my God, I feel so embarrassed because me the boss, and I don't know who somebody's about to meet or somebody's about to be with. But me getting Leo, your whole shit I get fuck up. Now, I do see that the Emperor is a drinker. Him is a drinker. I'm like to drink. Okay. But me getting somebody's not loud when them drunk. Somebody's not aggressive when them drunk. Them very calm. Them get very erotic. Is that a word? Okay, yeah. Because I'm getting while these 2 couple is together, being a couple, the Emperor and the Empress is on the outside. They're supposed to be together, but this couple is blocking them. It's a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio man and a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius woman. We have Cancer. The man is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Maybe the woman is. We have the number 7. Is somebody, yeah, number 7. We have mental health. Maybe somebody's like, no, you don't want the Empress. She have mental health problems. You know, she have a daughter that she's not taking care of. The Emperor, I don't feel like that's the girl for you. I mean, she have kids. You're an emperor. You're going to be taking care of another man's kids. You're getting, you don't care. You have money. You don't give a fuck. No fucks given. MK Ultra. Yes, somebody that tried to talk you out of it. I'm getting is your match. It is your counterpart. We have illness. We have sleep. And we also have Virgo. And I don't know if you're the type of boss where you're very friendly with your co-workers. I'm getting something about your co-workers or the people who you're going to business with them benefit from you being single. Me no know. Me getting them no want you with no girl. I'm not sure if they think that the girl will affect how you treat them. Or me getting for the couple, there's just something perfect about the couple and then boss and you single and you don't have anybody. I don't even think you have kids either. Again, the Empress may have kids since there's kids in her lap, but there has been other depictions of the Empress without kids. I'm guessing you think somebody would have make a great housewife. That's what you want, Emperor. Somebody who can sit in your lap while you drink and just chill out. Woo, have a good time. Party! That's what you want. Anything the Emperor wants, the Emperor shall receive. You don't know. I'm going to leave it here, Leo. Until next time. Bye.